Hello. So I've had a lot of interest in my homemade printables. So I wanted to show you guys how I made this. Um, so this is just a blank, it has nothing written on it. So I'm just going to put sticky notes there so I have my inventory because that's always changing. And then everyday essentials, so things I buy all the time. And then a weekly thing. So I did it without the dates only because I meal plan on Fridays or Saturdays, so I don't need like a Monday to Friday start. It kind of throws me off. So I didn't put anything there. So that's fill in on your own. And then I put my budget for our food, and then I put ideas for breakfast, and then like CB means cookbook. It's my own cookbook I made. And then P means Pinterest. So that one's on Pinterest. And then some lunch ideas. So those aren't date specific, but they're just some ideas that I can make. And then whatever I need from the grocery store. And then it continues on like that for how many weeks I have in the booklet. So I will show you how I made this. So some of the settings didn't come up on my computer screen when I add the screen in after this video, but I did explain what I was doing. So hope this helps everyone, because this is the awesome little thing that you can do on your own. And I also made myself a budget one as well. So yeah, and then it goes by paycheck. So because my husband and I get paid, like, we got a lot of paychecks in a month, I needed something that was super customizable. So, and then next month, and then the next month, like the next paydays, so that I know where everything's going, what's happening. So works really good.
Okay, so this is Word, a Word document. So in order to get to this document, you have to go to Layout, and you go into Size, you go to More Paper Sizes, and you see how I put in the width is 8.75, even though it doesn't look like that on the screen. But the width is 8.75, so if you've got a standard size notebook, this is the size that you need to use. And then when you go over to margins, when you put that size in, it will automatically go to landscape size. I've put the margins at 0.5 the top and bottom. You could go as close to like 0.2, but I went 0.5. But I wouldn't go any smaller in the inside and outside, only because when you cut your inserts, you're going to have a bit of a creep come in when you make the book fold. So the book, and then click down here. This will come up normal, but just go down to book fold. I put a 0 gutter. Some people change the gutter, but I never found an issue with that so far. If when you print and they're too close together, that's when you can increase the gutter. Okay, so when you push OK, and then so this is page by page. So just do it like meal planner, and then your next page, and then the next page you want, and the next page. Okay, and then keep continuing that. So I found that if I did, I just copied and pasted these tables continually for a couple times, but I always like to have this page empty, just so that it makes it line up properly. And then when you go to print it, you go File, Print. Your printer might have different settings, but for my printer, all I have to do is go to that one, turn it on for a sec, and all you have to do is print all pages, And you want, this is very important, is that you want to print on both sides and flip pages on the short edge. Okay? So if you don't do that, it's going to be all weird. And then that's it. And then you push print, and it will actually print it not in this order, but it will print it in the book fold order. And it will look like a little booklet. So I hope this helps everyone. If you have any questions, let me know.